Hello guys and welcome back to Maxi channel. Here you can find the best of the best when it comes to road encounters of all sorts. We got road rage, close calls, crashes, kindness, encounters with the police and whatnot. As usual, we prepared another banger episode for you guys. But before we start with today's episode, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe as well. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In this situation, the biker got rear-ended by a careless lady. Watch how it all unfolded from there on. The lady got lucky that the biker didn't get hurt. After all, that's the most important thing. He asked her if she wanted to pay for the damage or go through insurances. It was up to her.
Ma'am, I'm gonna need your insurance.
What do you want me to do?
Well, I don't know if you want to pay for the damages or just give me your insurance. Up to you. If you don't want to go through insurance, that's fine.
All right. What are the damages? What happened?
Well, the back of my bike, I mean, things fell off of it. I mean, you're the one who ran into me. I mean, you could have killed me just now, is what I'm saying. You're lucky I didn't die or get hurt.
I am lucky too. Yes, I realize that.
Yeah.
But what should we do? Oh, I'll have to call my daughter. Let me stay here and I'll call my daughter.
Sure. Yeah, she just hit into the back of me as I came in here. Oh wow, look at that. Holy shit.
It hit you.
Yeah, but I think she hit my tire, which is why it's like scuffed there, but I think my fairings are fine. Should I just go down?
This biker noticed the driver on his phone, and when he made a simple hand gesture to the driver to put his phone down, well, let's just say that he didn't appreciate it.
Wing. Hey, you put a wing, bro. You got a wing on a Hyundai. Nice tow hook. You got a wing on a Hyundai. You got plasti dip rims too. Plasti dip. You got plasti dip. You can't afford the real deal? Hey, where's the real wheels? You can't afford real wheels? Plasti dip, plasti dip, plasti dip. Say what's up. Oh, it's your son's car now. Oh, you drive a Corvette? Does your Corvette have a wing too? Oh yeah? You got a wing on it too, huh? You got a wing too, huh? Alright. Yep. Yeah. Yeah? Come on. Get out. Get out. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. You. You're still in your car. You. Eat my. You got a wing on a Hyundai and you got plasti dip rims. You got plasti dip wheels and a wing on your Hyundai. Yeah. Yeah. Suck my. Suck my. Suck my. Suck my. Suck my. Suck my. Suck my.
A yellow caddy driver missed his turn, so he stopped in the middle of the road and reversed. Unfortunately for him, a biker was right behind, and an accident was avoided because of biker's sharp reflexes. Watch.
Bumper protector stuff is like hanging loose. Look at that. What is he doing? Oh. Yo! Yo! Brother didn't see me, man. Bro, he didn't. Yo, that was dangerous. Alles goed, ja, maakt niet uit. Rustig aan, hè. Ja, joh. Bro, he didn't see me. Hey, it's all good, bro. Hey, if you didn't see me, it don't matter. Hey, it don't matter. Bro, I thought we were really gonna have an accident there. Oh, bro, that's a... Bro.
A driver was in need of help since his car broke down in the middle of the road. This biker noticed it and decided to put his cardio for the day to good use. Watch.
You trying to push it? Oh, that's gonna be hell. Ooh, your best bet's probably to go over there. It's too.
All right, can you steer that while I push it?
I'll push if you want to steer. I'll back you out a little bit. Well, there goes my workout for the day. That's all I can give it. It's gonna roll back. We both would have to push it. You're gonna have to have somebody else come help. Ready? Help has arrived. Thanks, guys. All right, man. All right, man. Good luck.
As the biker tried to merge onto the road, something unfortunate happened. He didn't notice a driver who was right behind the truck and he blocked the biker's view. As soon as he merged onto the road, he hit the back of a car. Luckily, he didn't crash.
Oh my God. I didn't even see, oh my gosh.
There's no damage. I can't believe the way you hit it.
I don't even understand.
I seen you come up.
Did you guys come from right here?
Yeah, we was going this way. And I seen you when you come out, so he's not going to stop.
Oh my gosh.
You okay?
No, I'm fine. I don't know why I didn't see you. I seen the truck.
As we come by, you was right there, and I think you're going to switch lanes.
Yeah, no, it's my fault for sure. I just didn't even see you. Is there any damage? Hello? You what?
I couldn't see you for a minute. I said, oh my God, we ran over him.
Oh no, that could have been more lucky of a thing. Well, I'm sorry about that, sir. Do you want any of my information just in case?
That's what I was going to ask you.
I mean, I'm fine. I don't think there's anything wrong with my bike.
Well, you were wrong, so I don't worry about it.
Yeah, I mean, if you're all right, then...
I don't see anything wrong.
All right. That was there before? Oh, okay, good.
Scratch my car. Goodbye.
I'm sorry about that.
Have a good day and be more careful.
I will. I'll look more often.
At least calm down in the way.
Honestly,
you don't hit somebody else.
I'm gonna look at the video because I don't know how I didn't see you. It's crazy. Alrighty, I'm sorry about that, sir. You have a great day.
A driver on the wrong side of the road may have saved the biker's life here. As the biker talked to him and explained where he should stop, a truck from the opposite lane ran a red light.
You're on the wrong side of the road.
In this situation, the Java stopped in the middle of the road. He wanted to make a left turn but forgot to indicate. This is why we always tell that indicating is important.
Bhai, you're okay? अबे तू कहाँ गाड़ी यार बीच में ब्रेक मार कर रुक रहा है सड़क पे?
तो कर सकता हूँ सर गाड़ी को मैं।
स्लो क्या करेगा? राइट में रोकेगा ना तू? लेफ्ट में अपने कहीं पे भी ब्रेक मार देगा?
सर एक साथ तो मारे नहीं सर, स्लो किया सर गाड़ी मैंने तो।
अबे यार चूतियापा करते हो तुम लोग खाली और कुछ नहीं। बैठ जाओ भाई, बैठ जाओ।
इंडिकेटर दिया तूने?
छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो।
गलती तो इसका।
इंडिकेटर दिया तूने एक बार?
छोड़ो यार।
गलती इसका मैं मान रहा हूँ।
अरे झगड़ा मत करो भाई, छोड़ दो यार, जाने दो।
तुम माफी मांगो, तुम माफी मांगो, तुम माफी मांगो सर, गाड़ी करवा। माफी मांगो पहले।
सर गलती हो गई, माफ।
भाई रुक जा भाई, रुक जा। भैया कभी भी तुम्हें रुकना हो, गाड़ी अपने लेफ्ट में लेके रोको। पीछे से कोई आ रहा हो उसका ध्यान ना हो तुम्हारे में। अबे ट्रैक्टर तुम्हारे में घुस जाता क्या बचता तुम्हारा?
सर जी वो मान रहा हूँ सर जी, मैं क्या तो रहा हूँ सर जी, गलती हो गई।
और मारो पीटो मत यार, छोड़ दो अब।
Note to all drivers. Please use your indicators on time. Never neglect them and your mirrors as well. They are there for a reason. Biker noticed a driver in need of some help. His car broke down and he could use all the help he could get. He was out of gas and the biker, with the help of some other people, pushed him all the way up to the gas station. Watch.
You guys good? Oh, big booty hose. Man, I'll put it's on there.
I love that channel.
Yeah, it'll be on there.
For sure, man. Hey,
Hey, take it easy, bro.
have a great day.
Take care, man. Hey, you got it, bro.
Oops. Looks like someone lost his ladder on the motorway. This can be dangerous for everyone using the road. Without a second thought, this biker pulled over to the side and decided to do the right thing. This biker lost his hand in a previous accident, but he managed to pull through. He's still on a bike, and he received a sage advice from an older gentleman in a truck.
Hey, g'day. Yeah. I made that myself. Yeah. That's right.
And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another epic episode on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something from this one as well. You know what they say, a wise man learns from the mistakes of others. Hopefully, you guys will as well. Until the next episode, stay safe and take care, guys.